I always knew that I wanted to come back into the business. When I was about 10 is when I decided that I wanted to continue working within this family. And as I grew older, I found out how much more there was within the data and the research and really found my spot here. For the employees, we bring them into the family in a lot of ways, that they're part of our greater family, even if they're not biological. So we've got people who have worked here for 30, 40 years, and as we bring up that next generation along with our group, it's really that close. We all are working together to bring in the crop, to build the business together, and they're part of the family as well.
In farming, it's critical that we have the right product on the field at the right time. So it's important that we always get everybody's ideas together so that we can get the machines, the tractors up and going as quick as possible, and everyone's ideas are valued to get that job done. We're using machines and robots in many different places, and so we need somebody that is interested in that, can tackle it, and is willing to become the expert on either that piece of equipment, that process, that product.
Our family has always taken the community and the land stewardship really seriously, whether we were the 5 initial acres or whether we are what we are today at 25,000 acres. So that has remained consistent pretty much throughout our history, and being active on different community boards, on different industry boards has always been something that we've taken very seriously. The good stewardship of our land, of our soil, and of our community is what will continue our legacy for future generations.